How rate cuts by RBI benefits NCD investors. Now, when we know that non convertible debentures are debt instruments which have a definite maturity period and a specified coupon or interest rate, let's see how changing interest rates by the RBI or Reserve Bank of India affects the debenture holders. Non convertible debentures are listed securities and can be traded in the secondary market for a premature sale. Often, the market value of the NCDs in the secondary market can be different from the face value, and there are two reasons for this. One, the price of NCDs will have increased because of the accumulated interest since the last payout. Or, second, change in the market interest rates after the NCD was issued. The second factor changes the value of NCDs in an inverse manner. Thus, NCD traded value is inversely proportional to the change in market interest rates. For example, consider an NCD issued a couple of years ago with the face value of Rs 1000, a term of 10 years, and a coupon rate of 8%. Let's say the market interest rate drops down to 7%. Hence, the demand for this NCD will increase and push up its price to match the prevailing yield, say approximately around Rs 1140. Thus, the cash flow generated with lower interest rate will match the cash flow generated when it was issued. This provides an opportunity for capital appreciation to the NCD holders. The reason for the above increase in market value is that as interest rate drops, the NCDs generate more cash than it was expected to when issued. So, clearly the NCD's asset value increases and will draw together an improved price. Hence, the people holding the NCDs will benefit from the increase in worth when RBI cuts interest rates. So, for bond and debenture holders who want to trade their NCDs to earn more, declining interest rates is an added bonus.